Hi there guys, today I'm going to show you how to make your very own stickers. They're going to turn out real cute, and the next time you want any stickers, you can just make your own. It's so cheap, and on top of that, you can actually sell these to your friends to make money. Alright, so without any further ado, let's get started. Alright, so first what you want to do is either you can draw or print out any picture or writing of your desire. I have a seal, and if you're printing or if you're just drawing, you can color it in or like print it colored. It doesn't really matter, but I didn't really have time to color this in or print it out with color, because like if I print it out with color, that would just be a waste of ink, and I didn't really have time to color this. So here just I have a plain white seal, but it's still cute. Alright, so I have my printout here, and now what I need is some parchment paper. So first what I need to do is I want to take some packing tape, but if you don't have packing tape, that's fine. You can use some normal tape, but packing tape would really do a better job. So but basically you need packing tape, but my drawing is my printout is too big for my my packing tape, because my packing tape's width is like only like this much, and my printout is like this fat, and plus I need a bit extra. So what I did is I combined a few pieces of packing tape together. I don't know how well you guys can see it, but it's fat enough. So now I want to take my parchment paper and I'm going to put my tape on that. I'm going to stick my tape on that. Ugh. Sorry for this noise. But yeah. And I don't know if I'm going off camera or not. I'm actually using my iPad to record this, so it's not going to be as good, because like we don't really have a camera at home. I know that's weird, but we just don't. My family just doesn't have a camera at home. So I'm using my iPad to record, and it's not really doing such a good job, because like it doesn't come with this tall stand like cameras do. Like not all cameras do, but like you can actually buy this stand. But anyways, let's not go off topic. Thing. Yeah, so we just like that. So I've stuck my tape on. Now I want to take my drawing or whatever printout. I don't know why, but I keep calling this printout a drawing, which is not fair to the people who created this. I never drew this. It's the people who created this who drew it. Anyway, so I'm gonna put it like on top of where I put my tape. And I'm going to take another piece of tape identical to the one I just put on the parchment paper. And with this piece of tape, I'm going to put it on top of my drawing. My printout. So here's my tape, and I'm going to put it on top of my printout. Like this. Now all that's left to do is cut it out. So, and keep in mind that when you're cutting it out, you want to make sure you'll leave a little gap like this. Like, see? I'm leaving a little gap. I'm not going to write along the lines. I'm keeping a little gap, because if we don't keep that little gap, our sticker will fall apart. So we want to make sure to do this properly. I'm going to cut this out. And I'm going to cut this out and see you when I'm done cutting, because I take a long time in cutting. So bye for now. Alright guys, so now I am done cutting out the printout along with the parchment paper and the tape. So here is like my final look, and I never did the best job because look at it, it's so wrinkly. I don't know if you guys can see it from this iPad, but yeah, it's wrinkly, because like the tape I took out, like when I was putting it on, it became wrinkly for some reason, because I'm not an expert at putting on tape. So yeah, now my sticker is done. Now I can put it wherever I want. But if you want to stick this, all you have to do is take out the parchment paper from the back. Make sure you don't take the back tape. I'll show you what I mean. I'll take off the parchment paper. I'm gonna take out the parchment paper. Make sure you don't take out this back tape. Make sure you don't take any tape out. Take out the parchment paper. Now you can stick it wherever you want. I'm gonna stick it on this counter because I want it to be decorated. Ta-da! Isn't it cute? I'm gonna show you by sticking it on one more place. It's very sticky. Oh. Oh my god. Oh my god, it ripped. That's how sticky this is. So you guys want to try this. It ripped off. Okay, so you guys should try this. You guys should try this at home, but make sure you put it where you want, because or else it's gonna rip off like mine. Unless you use like normal tape, that won't be as sticky though. So yeah, this goes in the garbage. Sadly, I put so much effort into it. Alright, let's not be emotional here. Alright guys, so yeah, that's basically all I have for you guys. So thanks for watching. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Learn with Mariam, because I'm really new to YouTube, and like my brother has his own channel. I'll try to put his link in the description section below, but I'm not sure if I will. So but it's called The Boss YT. And yeah, so basically that's it. But I'm really new to YouTube, and I'm not good at editing. I don't even know how to edit. So I'm requesting you guys, please subscribe, and in the comment section below, please give me tips on starting YouTube. Like starting a YouTube channel. See, I don't even know how to talk properly. So yeah, please give me tips. Please subscribe to my channel. I'm really new to YouTube, and I would appreciate it if you guys would cooperate. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Sorry if I'm saying that a lot. And yeah, so bye till the next video.